Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online by selling data. Okay, so if you have been looking for the easiest way to make money online in 2023, trust me, this is the best video for you. Okay, so what you want to do right now is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, as I'm going to show you everything step by step. Okay, so guys, to be sign up on this platform is actually very easy and it is totally free. You don't have to spend any money to sign up, and trust me, if you should follow the instructions I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, you're going to start making your first money after watching this video. Okay, so follow me through while I show you the process right now. Okay? So right here on this platform, like I said earlier, you're going to be getting data at cheaper rate and you sell for higher price. Okay, so trust me, there are a lot of people who are into this business and they are making cool money on daily basis. And I'm still going to be showing you how to get list of buyers on your WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get buyers from your WhatsApp. Okay, so you don't have to panic if you have large audience who is going to buy your data and all that. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end as I show you everything. Okay, so right now I'm just going to show you some of the things you can do on this platform to earn money. So right here you can see you buy data. Here you can see buy electricity, you can see cable TV, you can see wallet summary, you can see developers API. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this buy data, or I'll just scroll down and you're going to see more about this platform. Okay, so you can see right here, if you're going to be buying MTN data, okay, you after signing up on this platform, you're going to get access to buy for these prices. Okay, so right here you can see you can buy 500 MB at just 133 naira. Okay, and trust me, you're going to be selling this at a higher price. Okay, so right here you can see for another price it is 138 naira, and right here you can see for 1 gig you have 240 naira. This is another price here, 250 naira. Okay, it actually depends on you. Okay, you have to choose the amount you want to, but trust me, trying to make much profit from this is just gonna make you it's just gonna make you lose money. Okay, because people are going to run from you. They will feel like your data is very expensive. Okay, so you can just do this for this particular one that sells for 133 naira. You can just sell it for 150 naira. Okay, yes, the profit might be little, but trust me, if you're selling to 50 people per day, that is not going to be a little amount of money. Okay, so just watch through while I show you everything step by step. Okay, so I just want to show you how this platform works before I show you how to sign up and then how to go about everything. Okay, so right here you can see this is the packages available for MTN. Okay, so you can see right here this is 250 for 1 gig. You can see this is 480 for 2 gig. This is 720 for 3 gig. This is 1200 for 5 gig. Okay, so for those of you who are into online business, you can also sign up on this platform and then start buying cheap data for yourself. You can use and you can choose to sell as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. So right here you can see these are the plans for Airtel. You can see 500 MB at 165 naira. Right here you can see 1 gig at 285. You can see 2 gig at 570. You can see 5 gig at 1425. Okay, so the price to resell actually depends on you. Okay, so right here you can see these are the packages for Glow. You can see Glow right here. This is 140 for 500 MB. This is 510 for 2 gig. This is 765 for 3 gig. This is 895 for 3.9 gig. So just that is how all of them actually have their own prices. Okay, so right here you can see they have their own prices. So this is for 9 mobile. Okay, this is for 9 mobile. You can see 500 MB actually cost 455 naira. This is 1.5 gig at 910 naira. This is 2 gig at 9 at 1092 naira. Okay, so you can select any of these and you can sell depending on what your customer wants. Okay, so I just want to show you through this website before showing you how to sign up. Okay, so first thing first, to register on this platform, I'm going to be dropping the link to register in the description of this video. Okay, so once you just click on the link, it's going to direct you to this page. So what you want to do right now is to click on this option right here showing register. Okay, so once you click on register, it's going to load and then take you to a page where you're just going to fill in your details. Okay guys, after clicking on the link, it's going to direct you to this page. Okay, so what you want to do is just fill in these details. You're going to put your name right here. Right here you put in your username. Right here you type in your email. You put in your phone number right here, your address, and then you're just going to scroll down and then complete it. Right here you're going to put in your referral name, username. Yeah, although it's optional, but once you're using my link, it's gonna show up here directly. Okay, so you're just gonna create a password right here. You retype the password here, and then you click on agree to terms and conditions. So after that, you just click on sign up. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on sign up right now, and then it's gonna direct us to the next page. Okay guys, so after putting in those details, your account will be created automatically. So right here, you're just gonna come to this page and then you log in. Okay, so once I click on sign in, it's going to take me to the home page of the platform. Okay, so right here you can see it is loading. Okay guys, you can see right here, this is the home page of the website. You can see it is showing me welcome. You can just take your time and read through all these contents right here so you understand more about the terms and conditions and how this platform works. Okay, so to start making money on this platform, what you want to do is to click on this option right here. Okay, so once you click on it, you can see this is where you view your dashboard. This is where you buy data, this is where you buy airtime, this is utility payments, funding, your wallet, pricing, account, changing of pin settings, logout, and all that. Okay, so right now I'm just going to click on this option right here showing buy data. Okay guys, before you can start doing anything on this platform, you will have to fund your account. Okay, like I said earlier, you're gonna be buying data at a cheaper price, airtime and all this, and then you sell for a higher price. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can fund your account right now. And for those of you wondering how you can withdraw your money or how you can get your money to your bank account, what you're gonna do is, once you get a buyer, someone who wants to buy airtime or someone who wants to buy data, all you just have to do is to send the person your account details. Okay, so once you send the person your account details, remember by then you would have funded your account already. Okay, so you're just going to send to them the amount of data they want. Okay, so right here, this is how you can fund your account. So I'm just going to copy this account details right now. So once I copy it, I'll go on my bank app and then I'll make the transaction, and then the money will appear right here on my dashboard. Okay, so let me quickly do this so you can see for yourself. And another thing is, once you're funding your account, you're gonna be charged 15 naira for the transaction. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna do this right now and I'll come back to show you guys how you can purchase and send the data to your customers. Okay, and make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you how you can get customers to buy your data. Okay, always note this: once you're sending money to this platform, make sure you put in your username in the description. Okay, so make sure you put in your username so it can easily be recognized. You can see right here, this is the bank account number, this is the account name, and this is the bank. You can see right here Wema Bank. Okay, so this is what you're going to put as payment description. Okay, so it's gonna be easy for the platform to recognize that you are the one that made the payment. Okay, so I'm just gonna complete this payment right now and show you how you can buy your data and do every other thing on this platform. Okay guys, you can see I just completed the transaction, so I'm just gonna wait for few minutes and see. Once the money is deposited on my dashboard, I'm going to just show you guys everything step by step. Okay guys, like I told you earlier, they are going to charge you 15 naira for each transaction. So right here you can see I have 2,950 naira right here. You can see for yourself, this is 2,950 naira. Okay, actually deposited 3,000 naira, but they charged me 15 naira. Okay, so right now I'm just going to show you how you can purchase data and start selling on this platform. Okay, trust me, if you follow the instructions I'm going to be giving you to the end of this video, you're going to start making your first money online if you have never made money online before. So make sure you follow these steps and implement immediately. Okay, so right now let me start with buying of data. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this option right now. So once I click on it, it's going to just show me list of data options that are available. So I'm going to select. Okay, remember, you're going to once you get your customer, anyone who wants to buy data from you, you're going to ask them the amount they want to buy. Okay, so once they tell you the amount, you get the money directly to your own bank account from your customer. Then what you want to do is come on your dashboard and then select the network. You can see right here, this is an option to select the network. So you're going to select this. If it is MTN, you select MTN. If it is Glo, you select Glo. If it is Airtel 9 Mobile, you select. So I'm just going to select MTN right now. So you're right here, you can see data type. So you select gifting or okay, SME, you select gifting. Okay, so you select the mobile number right here. You type in the mobile number. Okay, so after typing the mobile number, you're just going to scroll down and then select the plan. Okay, remember, you're going to know the plan through the amount they paid to you. Okay, so let's say they gave you, okay, let's say you got 300 naira for this 2 gig. Okay, because right here you're going to pay 250 to get it, and if you're selling, you're going to sell for 300 naira, or you got this 2 gig at the rate of 500 naira and you want to sell for 600 naira, or you got this 3 gig at the rate of 750 and you want to sell for 800 or 850. I don't know, the price actually depends on you, but if you're selling, make sure you don't sell at higher price than what they're going to get if they are buying directly from their bank. Okay, so right here, I used to buy 20 gig at 5,000 naira. Okay, I used to buy 20 gig at 5,000 naira, but if I'm buying from this platform, I'm going to buy for 4,800 naira. Okay, so you imagine you selling like 50 of this in a day. You know how much that is going to be for you. Okay, so once you just select the amount you want to sell to the person, you okay, just let me click on this 2 gig. Okay, so once you just select it, you're going to see the amount right here. You're going to see the amount right here, which is 500 naira. Okay, so once you click on this and you click on buy now, it's just going to direct you to a page where you're going to okay, let me just follow the process. Okay, so after filling all these details, what you want to do is to click on this option right here showing buy now. Okay, so you can see right here, are you sure you want to buy data 2 gig gifting 500 naira 30 days to this number? Okay, once I click on yes, the receipt of this transaction is gonna process immediately. Okay, you can just follow these steps for any of these network. You can follow the same step for 9 Mobile, you can follow for Glo, you can follow for MTN and Airtel. Okay, so that is how this platform works. Okay, that is how this platform works. And let me show you something else. Maybe you want to buy this cable recharge and all that. Okay, okay, if you also want to buy airtime, you're just going to follow the same process. Okay, so the main thing is for you to fund your account. Okay, so once you fund your account, all this is going to be easy for you. Okay, okay, so right now I'm going to select this cable subscription. Let me see how that works. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to select on it. Okay, so right here you can see for you to subscribe maybe to your GoTV or to your DSTV, you can as well use this platform and subscribe. Okay, so let me quickly check and see their prices. Okay, so right here just gonna click on this option to check the prices right here. Okay, the prices is blank. Okay, but you actually know the price you want to subscribe. You can also help people subscribe once you type in, okay, select GoTV. Let me see. Okay, so right here you can see this is 1,900, this is 900, this is 2,400, and this is 2,800, this is 4,150, and this is 1,500, which is the Ghost TV Super. Okay, you can actually use this as well to subscribe for your maybe GoTV or DSTV or any of these cable networks you are using. Okay, you can see you can as well charge people for this as well. Okay, so for those of most of those people using POS, they actually do this and they charge people for it as well. So once they help you complete the transaction, you're gonna pay them maybe 200 naira or 300 naira for helping you subscribe on your cable. Okay, so right guys, you can actually try this. You can try this and you're gonna be making money for yourself. And one sweet thing is you can be doing all this online without having any shop. Okay, so I promised you guys earlier that I'm going to show you how to get customers. Okay, so this is what you want to do. First thing first, you can go on Canva. Okay, for those of you that are into graphic designing already, if you're going into this business, it will be very, very easier for you. Okay, but if you're not into graphic designing, you can easily use the Canva app. Just go on Canva, search for a flyer, and then you can check in the data prices on that platform, and then you list them and just do something like this. Okay, so after doing something like this, once you send something like this to somebody, they go through it, they'll be like, wow, these are cheap data plans that I can get for myself. Okay, although these ones right here seems to be more expensive than what we have on the platform. So you see, you can easily buy on the platform and make more money for yourself. Okay, so that platform is actually one of the cheapest platform to get data in Nigeria. Okay, so guys, make sure you try this website out. Okay, so once you get your flyer done, what you want to do next is to go on your WhatsApp app. Okay, so once you go on WhatsApp, you share this flyer with content on your WhatsApp status. Okay, and you can as well create a broadcast list. Okay, so once you create a broadcast, you send this data flyer and a content to your broadcast list and tell them to help you share it on their own WhatsApp status. Okay, so once they help you share on their WhatsApp status, they're going to help you get customers, and them as well can buy data from you. Okay, so what is going to just keep you moving on this business is once you make the price affordable. Okay, don't make the price too expensive because you got it at a cheaper rate. Okay, so just put in little amount and make sure you put amount that's going to making you some profit daily. Don't just put a whole lot of money so that people will run from you. Okay, so if you follow these steps, guys, trust me, you're going to be making a whole lot of money on this platform. Okay, and even if you're not selling this data, you can actually be making money, or you can actually still be buying data for yourself and use it for personal purposes, and you're still gonna be saving some amount of money for yourself. Okay, so guys, make sure you try this website out. Okay, try this website out, it's actually legit. Okay, so I'm just gonna be ending this video right here, and guys, I'll say thank you for watching, and you'll see me in my next video. Okay, so make sure you subscribe if you're seeing my video for the first time, follow, because I'm going to be dropping more updates on this platform. Okay, thank you guys, I'll see you in my next video.